In today's video, I'll show you how to add and remove users in HubSpot, step by step, in a simple way that's perfect for beginners. If you're working with a team, managing user access is very important. HubSpot makes this process straightforward once you know where to look. So let's get started. First, log into your HubSpot account. After you're inside the dashboard, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a small gear icon there. This icon opens your account settings, so go ahead and click on it. Once the settings page opens, you'll see several options on the left-hand side. From this menu, find and select the section labeled Users and Teams. This is where HubSpot shows you everyone who currently has access to your account. Now, let's talk about adding a new user. On the Users page, look for the option to add or create a user. Click on it, and HubSpot will ask you to enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Type in their email address and continue to the next step. After that, you'll be asked to assign permissions. This part is important because it controls what the user can see and do inside HubSpot. Choose the access level that fits their role, then move forward and confirm the setup. Once you're done, HubSpot will send an invitation to that email address, and the new user will appear in your list. Next, let's quickly look at how to remove a user. If someone no longer needs access, find their name in the user's list. Next to their name, you'll see an Actions option. Click on it, then choose to deactivate or remove the user. HubSpot will ask you to confirm this step, and once you do, that user will no longer have access to your account. And that's really all there is to it. You now know how to add new users, manage permissions, and remove users when needed. And that's how you add and remove users on HubSpot. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.